Welcome to Review Lab. The best Glaze Hair Treatment is probably one of the most transformative hair products you can add to your routine, offering a salon-quality gloss and smoothing effect right at home, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking to revitalize dull, frizzy, or damaged hair and achieve that coveted silky, shiny finish that turns heads and boosts confidence with every strand. Number 5. Infra Silk Infusion. Discover the secret to beautifully smooth, shiny, and strong hair. Our advanced formula works to reconstruct and revitalize your locks from within. Experience the power of silk infusion. This leave-in treatment deeply nourishes your hair, leaving it feeling incredibly soft and manageable. Get that coveted salon-quality shine at home. It enhances your hair's natural luster, making it look and feel healthier than ever before. Build stronger, more resilient hair with every use. It helps to protect your strands from damage, promoting overall hair health. Enjoy effortless smoothness and a tangle-free experience. This lightweight treatment absorbs quickly without weighing your hair down. It's the ultimate leave-in solution for all hair types seeking repair and rejuvenation. Achieve visibly healthier hair with this luxurious treatment. What we like. This treatment is infused with silk proteins to deeply reconstruct your hair. It leaves your locks feeling incredibly smooth, shiny, and strong. If you have dry, damaged, or chemically treated hair and are looking for a powerful reconstructor, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Glaze Hair Treatment is a game changer for dry and damaged hair, leaving it incredibly soft and manageable. I noticed a significant reduction in frizz and split ends after just a few uses of the Glaze Hair Treatment. The lightweight formula of Glaze Hair Treatment absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, making it perfect for daily use. Number 4. K-18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. Introducing a groundbreaking hair mask designed for lasting repair. It's formulated to tackle dryness, frizz, and damage effectively. Witness incredible results in just 4 minutes. This powerful treatment reverses damage caused by chemical services and heat styling. Leveraging patented molecular technology, it works deep within the hair structure. This ensures comprehensive and lasting restoration. Specifically created for hair that's dry, frizzy, or damaged. It brings life back to hair affected by bleach and color treatments. Transform your hair with this innovative leave-in treatment. Enjoy healthier, smoother, and more resilient hair after just one use. What we like. Utilizing patented molecular repair technology, it reverses damage from chemical and heat styling in just 4 minutes. This offers lasting repair for even the most compromised hair. If your hair is severely damaged from bleaching or coloring and you need a quick, effective solution, this is the one to consider. What people say. My hair felt noticeably softer, smoother, and much easier to manage. It also helped reduce frizz and made my hair look healthier and more hydrated. A small amount goes a long way, so the bottle lasts longer than you might think. It uses a patented technology that works from the inside out. It works on the keratin molecules to repair your hair from the inside out. Number 3. Joico K-PAK Color Therapy Luster Lock Treatment. Introducing the Luster Lock Treatment, designed specifically for color-treated hair. It's your secret weapon for boosting color vibrancy and repairing damage. Experience an instant boost in shine and see visible repair from the first use. This treatment works to restore your hair's health and beauty. Formulated with powerful keratin and nourishing argan oil, it deeply penetrates to strengthen and protect your strands. Say goodbye to breakage and hello to luscious locks. Give your colored hair the care it deserves. This treatment revitalizes dullness and enhances the brilliance of your hair color. Achieve salon-quality results at home. It's the ultimate solution for maintaining vibrant color and repairing damage, leaving your hair soft, smooth, and incredibly shiny. What we like. This treatment is specifically designed to boost the vibrancy of color-treated hair while repairing breakage. It provides instant shine and nourishment. If you have colored hair and want to maintain its brilliance while strengthening it, this product is ideal for you. What people say. It feels softer and no tangles. My hair health has much improved. The texture is nice and thick, easy to spread on hair. Leaves my hair moisturized and shiny. I have fine dry blonde hair and this makes it soft and I have less flyaways and brittleness. Number 2. Vitamins Keratin Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Discover the transformative power of our Keratin shampoo. It's designed to bring life back to dry and damaged hair, leaving it feeling refreshed and renewed. Experience a gentle yet effective cleanse without sulfates. This formula is kind to your scalp and hair, preserving natural moisture. Enriched with essential biotin and collagen, this shampoo works to strengthen and nourish your strands. It promotes healthier-looking hair from root to tip. We've added the nourishing benefits of castor oil. This ingredient helps to moisturize and condition, enhancing your hair's natural shine and softness. Whether your hair is curly, wavy, or straight, this shampoo is perfect for you. It addresses common concerns for all hair textures, providing optimal care. Let it restore and repair your locks, combating dryness and damage. Achieve visibly healthier and more manageable hair with every wash. What we like. This sulfate-free shampoo is enriched with keratin, biotin, and collagen to deeply moisturize dry, damaged hair. It works to strengthen and nourish your locks. If you have dry, brittle, or color-treated hair and prefer a shampoo that also acts as a treatment, this is a great option. What people say. After washing my hair with these for the first time, my hair felt immediately softer and nourished, and that was just the first shampoo. After rinsing off the shampoo, I was able to run my fingers through my hair. It gives my hair volume, and it is so healthy. Number 1. IGK Expensive Clear Gloss Top Coat. Introducing a revolutionary gloss top coat designed to give your hair a high shine finish. Achieve that coveted soft, smooth, glass-like texture with ease. This treatment is perfect for reviving color-treated hair, bringing back its vibrancy and life. It works to enhance your hair's natural beauty. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to sleek, manageable hair. It helps to control frizz, leaving your locks smooth and polished all day long. Get the ultimate glass hair look without the salon visit. Its unique formula provides an intense gloss for a truly stunning appearance. With a generous 4.2-ounce size, you'll have plenty of product to maintain your hair's shine and smoothness. Enjoy long-lasting results and beautiful hair. What we like. Achieve a high shine, glass hair finish with this glossing treatment. It smooths and softens your hair, effectively controlling frizz. If you're aiming for that sleek, polished look and want to revive color-treated hair while taming flyaways, this is the perfect final step. What people say. Great product that conditions hair, provides body and silky feel. It makes my hair feel really soft and helps with frizz. I was impressed that I was able to comb through my long color processed hair without any leave-in conditioner for a change. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.